Hello everyone, this is Andrew from DB Services, and today I have the honor of showing you guys this cute little app we have called the DB Services Workflow Manager. The idea behind this app is for middle range power users of understanding with the FileMaker platform to basically have some control to create server-side scripts without actually having to interact with the admin console. So if you have users that actually write scripts but are not comfortable giving them admin console access, this is what this file is for. The idea behind this file is you can make records in this table that we have here. This is a master detail view, so you can see all the different records inside this database, and you can say, I'm gonna run these scripts on specified days. So basically the idea, um, you have a user create a record in here, they find the script ID, they pass it, they select which days to run, whether or not it's still active, the order in which the scripts run. The idea is all the scripts that are marked active will run at that specified interval, and a parameter. So that this creation portal over here specifies the parameters. And the other nifty thing is that it will log any errors in this portal down below, and you have some ability to filter them. I think I only have today's stuff in here, so there's not much to show, but that's the general premise. So what I can show basically is a run workflows button. This will run all active workflows. So let me do that really quick. Right now I have it to set up to send an email to myself. This is the first script, send reminder email, and then this script that just counts to 20. I think I have it set to a parameter count to 20. So you'll notice that a new log gets entered, successfully run workflow, count to X, and likewise here, successfully run workflow, send reminder email. Additionally, you can choose to run one individually on demand via this run script button. This will only run the script that you are currently on. And likewise, just for the sake of demonstration, if I take out this parameter, it should error out. So if I try to send this, it basically stores the error as a log, and you'll notice that the count to X script does not actually run. So a little under the hood, just to show you how this works. But basically the idea is someone who is actually a power user with access to the admin console will have this script run nightly or in the morning, whatever suits your fancy, daily ideally, just so it can facilitate this option here because it checks whether or not these run on specific days. And there's also a little holiday table in the back right here where it searches. So there's a checkbox that says whether or not it runs on a holiday, and you can specify all the holidays in the file as well. I think the year does not actually matter, it only checks for the day. So you can add more holidays, and then if the checkbox states that it will not run on that holiday, it will just completely skip it and ignore that specific workflow. So from there, it does a find for all workflows that are active, whether or not it's run on the holiday, whether or not select to run on that day of the week. And then it loops through all those items. It makes workflow logs, depending on whether or not there's an error. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. If you want to see my two small scripts, one caveat may be that you want to make sure you pass this back as a result. So whoever's writing these scripts should pass back error. So 0 if there was no error in a JSON object. Otherwise, it's going to assume there was no error when there should have been, or vice versa. But other than that, it's completely self-explanatory, I think, if you have any scripting knowledge there. And yeah, this file is completely open source. You're free to edit it in any way you choose. And if you want to implement this solution, please feel free to contact us at dbservices.com. Thanks.